Hi, so this first video is going to help you access the Xavier Virtual Desktop as well as SPSS. The Virtual Desktop is a program or an internet program that you can use in order to access the computer lab software from your home computer. So in this part of the class, we are going to be using SPSS, which is a statistical package. It's quite pricey, but the university buys it and licenses it. And if you use the virtual desktop, you don't have to buy that, and you can link into the servers at Xavier and use it on your home computer. So how you get to the virtual desktop is you start out at xavier.edu, and you will see it comes up to a pretty basic search page for the university. So in the search bar, just type virtual desktop. Click enter, and if you scroll down, you will see the very first one says Xavier University Technology Services Virtual Desktop. Click on that. You'll see it has a bunch of questions and answers about the virtual lab. All you will do is come here and click on this link right here. And from that link, you will click on the VM Horizon or VMware Horizon View HTML access. In the login screen, you will see it asks for a username and a password. This username and password is just the username and password that you use for all your Xavier business. So any email, Canvas, whatnot. So you will use your username and type in your password and then click log in, and it will take a moment. And then once that loads, you will click on online lab. And you will see that your Xavier homepage will pop up. So this is the homepage or the screen that pops up on all the computer labs in the university. Yours may have taken a little bit longer. Sometimes there'll be a welcome screen. It might take a minute or two for that to load. That is perfectly fine. You're just accessing the computer from afar, but just wait it out, and eventually this screen will pop up. So if you see the screen, that is great. You're good to go. So once you get here, what you can do to access SPSS is you will click on the Microsoft button right here, and then in the search programs and files, you'll just type SPSS. And then you'll see IBM SPSS Statistics 21 pops up, so click on that. And again, this may take a couple minutes to load as well. This is a very, very powerful statistical software package. It's a big software package, and so oftentimes it takes the computer a little bit for it to load. So just wait, it is working, I promise, and it'll pop up. One thing you may notice is in the book they talk about how they use SPSS Statistics 22, and you will see that we are using version 21. That won't cause any problems for this class. They're pretty much the same program, and so don't worry about that if you see them referring to 22 and you are using 21 for this class. So you will see the screen. It means that it's working and it's starting to pop up. So again, we wait. And then you will see this screen will pop up. Your screen in this more files will probably be empty because you haven't used anything yet. Where I have used multiple files in getting ready for this class as well as my own research, I will have files that are already there that are existing data sources. So all you need to do is go ahead and click cancel here. And you will see that we now have an SPSS data set. Mine is currently on the variable view, but there's also a data view here. So if yours pops up on this data view, that is perfectly fine. Real quick to show you kind of what this is the columns right here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are respondents, right? These rows right here. And these VARs, these are going to be your different variables in your data set. This will make more sense when we actually get to chapter 4, 5, 7, and 8, which we will to shortly. This variable view over here, These refer to individual variables. So those VARs that were on the top of the data view, these will be individual variables. The name of the variable, the type of the variable, width and decimals, don't worry about. What's the label of the variable? What values are used for the variable? So for example, it could be 1 equals male, 2 equals female. What are missing values? Oftentimes it's 99, 98. And these 4 columns you don't really have to worry about. But again, this will become much more clearer for you when we actually get into the data sets. So that is how you access the virtual desktop in SPSS. So if you have any questions, please shoot me an email and I will help you or kind of walk you through it. But hopefully this video was a little bit useful for you in order to access this program. Have a good day.